The second product on this list is the Padcaster Parrot. Traveling a lot and looking for something nice and light? The Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter is an affordable, simple, and compact tool you can use for daily recording activities. This teleprompter is made of lightweight plastic and weighs very little, making it ideal for slipping into a bag while on the go. With this amazing tool, you can turn your smartphone into a professional, lightweight, and mobile teleprompter. Your video productions will always be professional, thanks to the easy-to-read text displayed on a high-quality beam splitter glass screen, allowing you to look your audience in the eye while reading your script. We also like that this model is compatible with any smartphone and can be attached to almost any DSLR camera, as well as other Padcaster products like the Padcaster for iPad and Padcaster Verse for smartphones. You'll also appreciate its unrivaled adaptability. This teleprompter is simple to use by attaching it directly to the lens filter thread of almost any camera. To top it all off, this model includes a Bluetooth remote that allows you to pause, play, and adjust the speed remotely. Its pros are, it can be mounted on almost any DSLR using one of the included 13 mounting rings. It's extremely lightweight, so you can bring it anytime, anywhere. And it can be set up quickly, making it a more convenient choice. However, it has a fairly small screen, so it's best to be used with smartphones rather than tablets. If you are someone who moves from place to place and you're looking for a reliable teleprompter to take with you, then the Padcaster Parrot is undoubtedly the best choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.